How to join and create new Discord guilds. The very first thing you should know that it has not been officially up yet. So what you want to try doing is, you have to enter the server link. Type in the server link right here. So this guy is actually allowing to have an early access. Click on the plus icon at the bottom left corner of the screen, and then tap on join a server. In this section, paste the link that I have just given to you. Well, don't forget to enter Academy Evil. Once you have pasted the link, tap on join server. So you're gonna join this server over here. And if you just want to get a clan tag like so, what you're gonna do is just click on this tag information. And then as you can see, it will give you the step-by-step process on how you can actually obtain the access to this tag right here. So once it has been done, you will be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can create and join new Discord guild. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. And if you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one.